Hello everyone, welcome to proChem Academy. Today I am going to discuss about the aromatic hydrocarbon, which is the second chapter of class 11 organic chemistry, and is very important for those who are appearing for CBSE and ISC, and for also the West Bengal students, and this is also very important for those who are appearing for the NEET, JEE and other competitive exams. So the basic concept we will discuss here about the aromatic hydrocarbon, and we will discuss about the aromaticity only. That is the first topic of this chapter. Okay, we will introduce the hydrocarbon, what are aromatic hydrocarbon, and after that we will go into the detail of this chapter in next videos. Okay, so let's begin. This how this name aromatic hydrocarbon name came, or these aromatic compounds came actually. It is from a Greek word aroma. Aromatic term came from the Greek word aroma. It means the compounds having sweet smell. Okay, now afterwards we learn that these aromatic hydrocarbon or aromatic compounds are those which can be compared with the benzene and benzenoid compounds. So aromatic compounds are those like benzene and benzenoid compounds. Okay, so benzene is one of the best aromatic compound. Benzene having formula C6H6. The molecular formula of benzene is C6H6, and other benzenoid compounds or the compounds having same property like benzene are called aromatic compounds. Okay, benzene and benzenoid compounds are aromatic, or the compounds having same property of benzene or similar property, you can say, they are called aromatic compounds. Okay, so this is benzene. Now we have a structure of benzene, that one we have to learn first properly here. That how many carbons are there? 6 carbon and 6 hydrogens are there. Now benzene has a cyclic structure, cyclic hexagonal structure. Okay, structure of benzene is cyclic hexagonal. Okay, having alternative double bonds, or you can say pi bonds. Now we know all that in a double bond, one bond is pi and another one is sigma bond. Okay, so benzene has this kind of cyclic structure where each carbon are connected with other with a single bond, that is sigma bond, and all the carbons having one hydrogen with it. Okay, and they have alternative pi bond. Like in these two carbon, I have placed one pi bond. So the valency of carbon is 4, which is balanced here. Like this carbon having 4 bonds, 1, 2, 3, 4. Done. So it is the valency of carbon. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the pi bond we have to place here. This carbon 1, 2, 3, 4. Here also pi bond. So it has alternative pi bond. Okay. Now this benzene also can participate in resonance. Means as I have drawn, I have placed the first pi bond in between these two carbons. Suppose it is number 1 carbon, it is number 2 carbon. Now other can place the first pi bond here only. Suppose it is 1, it is 2. Then the other pi bond will be placed here and the number 3 will be here. So you can see that in these two structure, these two carbon having a pi bond, and in next structure here it is a pi bond. again here, then the fourth one here, and the fifth one here, and the sixth one. So here these two structures are same, and these two structures are called resonance hybrid of benzene. Okay, resonance hybrid of benzene. These two structures. So you can say these having alternative pi bond. This is also the structure of benzene. This is also the structure of benzene. Now these two structures can be drawn as a skeletal form, and there will not show the hydrogens. Like each carbon we have to place by a dot, and they will be joined with a single bond like a line. Okay, and we have to place the alternative pi bonds. Hydrogens will not show. This is the actual structure of the benzene. So this is the actual structure of benzene having carbon and hydrogen, and this is the skeletal form of benzene. Okay, so I think it is clear, all of you. Now let me, so we'll see the benzene like this only, means this one. This one is the benzene. Okay, now the pi bonds can change their places by resonance. It is also a benzene. So we have seen in these two structures that the pi bonds has changed their places from here to here, then here, then here. So it means the pi bonds is delocalized over this ring. Delocalized means it is just rotated itself. So it is called delocalization or resonance delocalization. So we can say that pi bond means the negative charge is delocalized over the benzene ring. So this structure is called pi complex. Combined, we can say, by combining these two structures, we can say this is the pi complex, and we know the benzene like this. Benzene with a circle in between, and this denotes the pi electron density. Okay, pi electron density. So write this one and let me check this working or not. Okay, it's properly working. So we will know that these two are the structure of the benzene, and this is the also the structure of benzene. So we have seen how many structures? 3 structures. You can show by giving a pi bond or giving a circle. So benzene is these 3 structures of the benzene. Benzene, again this is also benzene, this is also benzene. Okay, so benzene is this one. Now benzene is an aromatic compound. Benzene is an aromatic compound. Now we can prepare more compounds with benzene, and they are called benzenoid compounds. Suppose we all know that each carbon of benzene ring having 1 hydrogen. Now if those 1 hydrogen is substituted by the functional groups like organic functional group like OH, it is the hydroxyl one, then fluoride, bromide, iodide, chloride, carboxyl group COOH, then OCH3 group, then any alkyl group like CH3, then any aldehyde group CHO. If these groups are replaced on any one of the hydrogen of benzene, then we get the benzenoid compounds. That means derivative of benzene. The compounds which get from the benzene, they are called derivative of benzene. Clear? Now if we can memorize those structures, or if we can understand those structures like benzenoid compounds, then it will be easier to further progress in this chapter. Okay, so let us learn those. So as I have told you that if one of the hydrogen of benzene is replaced by fluorine, then we can give the name of this compound, and it is a benzenoid compound, and it is also aromatic in nature, because in the first I have told you the compounds which are coming from the benzene are all aromatic. So this one is also aromatic and is called fluorobenzene. It is called fluorobenzene. This one is iodobenzene. Okay. Third one, suppose it is replaced by chlorine, fluorobenzene. We have to learn how to draw the structure of benzene properly, and every time when you will get a free chance, then you will try to draw the structure of benzene. We used to do also. So chlorobenzene, this one is bromobenzene, okay, bromobenzene. This one is OH group is replaced, so this will be phenol. This is called phenol. When OH group is there at the benzene, that will be called as phenol. PHENOL, phenol. Very important compound. If COOH group is there, it will be called as benzoic acid. Benzene with acid. Benzoic acid. Okay. Then if COOH group, I have already written, CHO group is there. We all know that CHO group is aldehyde. Now benzene with aldehyde, say benzaldehyde. It is benzaldehyde. Okay. Benzene with CH3 means methyl group is called toluene. Very important compound, and we will learn how to prepare this compound also. Toluene. Benzene with NH2, it is called aniline. Okay. Benzene with OCH3, it is called anisole. In the same way, if N2 plus Cl minus group is there on the benzene, then it will be said as benzene diazonium chloride. Okay. Some other compounds are there of the benzene, and they are also the derivative of the benzene, and they may have multiple benzene ring, like this compound having two benzene ring, it is called naphthalene. And you have learned this one, C3H. How many carbons you find out? In 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Sit NH8. So it is nothing but naphthalene. Okay. We have another one, that is 3 benzene rings, regular benzene rings together, that is called anthracene. Okay. And we have another one, in fact it has 4 benzene rings, and it is called phenanthine. Okay, so these are the compounds of the benzene. In next video we will discuss about the classification of the compounds like aromatic, non-aromatic and anti-aromatic, and we will discuss further. So in next video, if you want to see this video, then please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon, so that whenever I make the video you get the notification. So take care, see you soon.